Hi YouTube, it's me Nathan here. In this video, remember I showed you the shirt Beetle EX4. This video I'm having my dinner or so. I think it's dinner time. Let me see what toy I have. I'm gonna still hold this. Don't tell me it's like the same one. Yep. I have the other one, but alright. I'm gonna show it's done real quick. I'm gonna show the other one. It's dark in here. If that's the same thing. But I'm not mad. If I get a third one, I'd be real mad, but I just don't care. Get mad. Yeah. Where is? Never mind. Well, I'm just gonna open this up. Oh, there's the pack. It's right here, but alright, here it is. I'm gonna just do like this. This. There. That's airplane. What it does. Just watch it does. See? This thing comes out. Alright. And there's an extra showing you. There's the stickers you can put in there, but it'll take a while, but I'll be ran out of videotaping. But alright. We never showed you that one. We never showed you this one, right? We never that one from yesterday. We never the last video of this one, but that's the second pin I have. But like a couple of months ago, it was more than. I think it was more than. It's more than 2 months, but it's more than 2 months. That's my first pin. Primal Groudon. And then, yesterday, I have this. Mega rayquaza. Alright, that's it for the day today. Alright, please subscribe my video, leave a comment. Did you like the Burger King toy? Alright. Alright, please subscribe my video and leave a comment. See you next video coming soon. Alright. I'm just gonna make an extra seconds right there. Here's my Burger King food right here. There's my chocolate milk. I just like chocolate milk a lot. So please subscribe my video, leave a comment. See you next video coming soon. But it's gotta be next month. So it's gotta be next month. And I think there's gonna be that. Alright, see you next video coming soon. See you later.